Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when no sound plays after you connect your earbuds with the phone. And firstly, it may be a problem with your audio player, so let's say you listen to music in Apple Music or Spotify or your browser. Firstly, just remove this application from the cache and then open it again. Also, I recommend it to check if you have the last version of this application, so go to the App Store or Google Play and check it, and if you haven't, just install a new one. Now, if it didn't help you, next step we need to update software version on this earbuds. So open QCY application, and if you add your earbuds to the application, you will see the same menu here. You need to go to the settings at the middle top, and now just scroll down. Right here at the bottom we have update firmware. Firmware is the same as software, so you just click on it. It checks for updates, and I haven't a new software version because I installed already newest. Now, if it didn't help you or you also haven't new software version, we need to restart your device. So if you use your earbuds with a phone, I recommend it to restart your phone, and it can fix your problem also. Now, if all of these methods didn't help you, we should perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, first we need to remove these earbuds from your phone. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices. Now, at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget the device and forget device. After that, at the back side of your earbuds, under the LED light, we have touch areas. You need to press 5 times at the both of these touch areas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now this LED light should blinking white 5 times. And then we can reconnect it to the phone. So, if you have Android, click Pair New Device at the top. And then just tap at your earbuds at the device list. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!